Baby.
Whose party?
Name, Mommy.
My name is Mommy. What's your name?
It's my birthday.
It's your birthday, huh? We're gonna have a party.
Go to the party.
We're gonna have a party, Joe.
Yeah?
Who's in the mirror?
Me.
Yeah. How old are you, Joey?
I'm 4.
Yes. How old are you, Phoebe?
I'm 4.
Phoebe, how old are you?
Yeah, you know, 4.
You're 2.
No. I'm 4.
2.
4.
Joey is 4.
No, I'm 4.
Where's your belly? Oh, look at the big belly.
Whoa.
Joe, look at all the fingerprints on the mirror from touching it. Yeah. Phoebe, you look in the mirror too?
Come on. No. Ow.
So, what do we do at our birthday party?
Blow out our candles.
Yeah. Who's coming to the party?
Me.
Yes, you're coming. Who's coming, Joe?
Samantha and Tank and Mason and Darwin and
Hudson.
And Hudson and Nicole and
Nicole and Lisa
yeah
and Angela and Jen.
and then
That's it.
that's it.
Yep. See you later.
See you later.
Say bye-bye, camera.
Bye bye, camera. It's small.
Hi, kids. Phoebe, you eating hot dog?
Mommy,
Oh, it fell on the floor. Here you go. What do you got, Samantha?
I like that.
Mmm.
You like that, huh? It's just a total.
Oh, he wants it cut up.
Oh, he just. If it's anything different than what he's used to.
I see.
There you go. Let's just work. Okay.
And what do you got? Lots of little pieces. Look, he's eating baby-sized hot dogs.
Is he pretty good about trying new things, Nicole? Yeah.
He seems to be liking it.
Any real food? Yeah.
Joey.
Yeah.
Hi.
That's great.
Is this your birthday party with all your friends?
Yeah.
What are you eating, honey?
I'm eating a hot dog sandwich.
A hot dog sandwich. Mmm.
Yeah.
Take a bite.
Okay. Right? I got a hot dog sandwich too.
Hot dog sandwich.
Cheese.
With cheese? I think there's some bread and some ketchup. What's your name?
Mason.
Mason what?
Mason Bliss.
How old are you?
4.
Wow.
Like that, Mommy.
And who's that over there?
Dylan.
Is this Dylan?
I like that.
You like that?
Well, everybody else is done. But Phoebe Mason is eating cake. Phoebe, is that good?
That's it. Let's clean up. Let's clean up. We're gonna open up, so help me clean up because you help make the mess. That's fine. We will after we open presents.
Phoebe, you like cake?
Pick up some of these other things.
Phoebe, you like cake?
No.
You don't like cake? Is that your birthday cake?
No.
Oh, this is his birthday card. We're not going to put that in there. Oh, I can put a card, Julie. That's not. Right, you have the cleanup sauce. I figured it'd be okay.